Today we're gonna look at, wait, something feels wrong.
You're right. I know.
That's better.
Keep watching. Hi, I'm Donna Robertson.
And I'm Fran Morgan with Fabric Café.
Well, not really.
No, did we fool you? Let us know in the comments.
Now, our bosses are out of the office today, so we decided to take over the show today.
And it's Halloween, so we decided we should look the part. So today we have lots of fabulous new Halloween kits for you. And normally it's Natalie or I holding up the quilts for the videos. So since we're here, we're gonna split that. We're both gonna hold up quilts. So first off, Natalie's gonna hold up bold blocks. So this is our first quilt today, and I love this quilt. It's got such a nice big block that you can do a really good focus, and this asymmetrical line on the bottom gives a lot of depth to it. So let's put that on the table. All right, so our first one, I love this one. I think it's very festive and sweet.
Yes.
As, you know, like a sweet Halloween kit.
Yeah, it feels homey.
Yes,
Like
it
a sweet,
does.
homey Halloween kit.
Yeah. So we've got our nice houses, which I'm going to turn it sideways just for a second so you can see how it goes. It'll go this way in your quilt. And you'll see that's in your nice big block. And then you've got the background where all the leaves are is going to be your purple with the little swirls.
Swirly whirlies.
Yeah, swirly whirlies. And then you've got your black polka dot, which is going to be the borders everywhere you see that purple.
Oh, that's going to be so cool.
Cute. I love that one.
Yes.
So the kit number is 8022432, Hometown Halloween, and your pattern is bold blocks from the Pretty Darn Quick book.
So next up we have So Quick. Now, So Quick is one of our most popular patterns. It's one of the simplest patterns that we have, and it is so easy and simple to make. You can put it up in a jiffy. So let's put it on the table and see what we got next. All right, so this is our next kit. We got all of these beautiful little spooky little kitties.
Yeah.
They're so cute.
They're so adorable.
Yes, they're gonna go in our biggest block right here to show off our big fabric. It's a directional, which it'll totally work for So Quick. You cut it out and it'll just fit right in, and your kitties and pumpkins will go the correct way. For our number 2, we got this lovely yellow with stars, and that's gonna go in the background and where the yellow is on this.
And it picks up the little eyes and the pumpkins.
It does.
That's so cute.
Makes them bright. It's so cool. And then our number 3 actually glows in the dark.
Ooh, that's perfect for a Halloween kit.
Yes. And so the black with the moon and the stars is gonna go where the black stripe is in here and on the border.
Yes, it is so cute.
So cute. I love it. And you can see on the screen, you actually have a rendering of this fully done up and So Quick.
Oh, look how pretty that is.
It is. It's so pretty. You can see the kitties and the pumpkins are nicely framed by the yellow and the black. And
That black? Oh, sorry.
No, yeah.
The black moon, it almost makes it look like the cat is floating off of the surface of the quilt.
Yes, it does. I absolutely love it.
So cute. Now, if you have fallen in love with this kit as well, then you need to go over to fabriccafe.com and get it while you can. We have limited quantities on all of our kits you see today, so make sure you get it while it's there.
All right, so the kit information for this is 8022433. Boo Kitty is the name. That's so cute. And the pattern is So Quick from Quilt Favorites.
So the next quilt we have is Louvers, and this one is kind of like an optical illusion. It kind of looks like you're looking through a window. So let's put it on the table and see what fabric we picked. This one is perfect for an optical illusion because we have these skeletons and moons.
Yes.
So it's kind of like the skeleton is like you're looking out at it, the skeleton hanging out at the moon.
Yes.
Out your window.
Yeah, just hi.
So your skeleton is going to go here in that block, and then we've got this great yellow which picks up your moon, and then this gray. And I think it's really fun. The number 2 and the number 3 are the same pattern but different colorways.
Yes, I love that.
Yeah.
Coordinates, looks really sharp.
Yes, I agree.
Yes.
And what's even better is we have pieces and parts to show you.
Oh, one of my favorites.
So this is from our book, Quilts on the Double. It is the Louvers pattern. It's super easy to make. So we do a lot of strip piecing. You're gonna make one strip assembly where it's your number 1 fabric sewn to a strip of your number 3. And then you just cut your units off of it. So it makes it go so fast.
So fast.
That's gonna go here. And then your second block is a strip of your number 2 with a half square triangle made from your 2 and 3. And then you put that piece right there, and that gives you that neat optical illusion.
I love it. It is so cute.
Oh, and we have 2 more blocks that we can show you. Thank you, Natalie or Donna.
Oh.
And that one will go right here. And then I've got one more completed block. And these still have the seam allowances on them, so.
Oh my goodness.
Doesn't that look great?
It looks so good. You can just see how it all just makes up.
Yeah, all those little windows.
Yes, I love it.
Well, your kit info on that one is 8022434 Dry Bones. And your pattern is Louvers, which is from the book Quilts on the Double. It is only available in that book, so our alternate pattern suggestion is Town Square.
And our next pattern is Landslide. Now, Landslide is a beautiful quilt that goes together really, really quickly. It's got lots of movement, and it actually is just 2 simple blocks that you can put together in a jiffy. So let's put it on the table and look at the fabric. Now for this one, we have some pretty awesome fabric. I'm really excited about this. Now, if you've ever seen the movie Hocus Pocus, you'll see some of these characters and recognize them.
Yes.
So for our number 1 fabric, we have Winifred, Sarah, and Mary flying around on their little brooms. And they will go in our number 1 block right here. We have our orange, this bright little star that's really pops really well. And this will go in our number 2 spot right here in this half square triangle. And then we have this purple. This star will actually go in our number 3 spot where the buttons is. And we also have pieces and parts.
Oh, yes.
I know.
Can't wait to see it.
I love it. So Landslide is actually pretty simple. You make 1 simple block like this. You cut it out. And then
shows off all your witches so well.
Yes, it does.
Now, I watch this movie every year at Halloween.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite Halloween go-to movie?
Yes, let us know. So you got your number 1 fabric, and then you make 1 really, really big half square triangle.
Oh, wow.
Just with your number 2 and number 3. And then you plop it right next to the bigger block.
Oh, how cute. Oh, that looks so good.
Isn't it? Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
It's so cute. So you see, it just really, like the Landslide pattern, it just like makes movement, like the witches on their brooms flying through the sky. And it just looks really, really good.
I love that.
All right. So your kit information for this is 8022435. Hocus Pocus is the name of the kit. And it's the Landslide pattern that's only available in Quilts in a Jiffy. So your alternate pattern is Sweet Times.
So this pattern is called City Lights. And this one, a big theme of today's quilts, they have a lot of movement. And this one is no exception. With all of these kind of like stones stepping on up the quilts, they just look beautiful. So let's check that out. And now, if you're enjoying our Halloween video, I want to let you know that next week, we're going to be showing you how to work with a Halloween panel.
Oh my goodness. I cannot wait for that.
It's going to be so good.
Yes.
So be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification so that you don't miss it when that notification bell, so you don't miss it when it comes up.
Yes.
So our kit today, though, and this one, I think it just looks so cute. You can really see like how the colors on this match with these colors.
Yes.
Which is, so we have our black cats right here. And so that's going to go in your focus block, which is your big block right here.
I love black cats.
No, me too.
They're so cute.
We're both cat lovers. We both have a couple of our own.
Yes.
So this kit is way up our alley. So your focus is your nice big cats, like I said, that'll go in your big focus print right there. And then we've got this gray, which matches the moon that the cat is sitting in front of.
Yes.
And that's going to be your white right here with the little flowers. And then we have a black that has like shooting stars and things on it. And that will be wherever you see the black on this quilt.
Oh my goodness, that's going to just go up so pretty.
Isn't it going to be cute?
Yes.
Love it. Oh, and there's one more thing you should know about this kit. Your number 1 fabric glows in the dark.
Oh my goodness.
Which makes sense because, you know, like your cat eyes are like, whew.
Yes, they're like glowing in the dark. Like, ee, ee, ee. So whenever you look at your quilt, it's just like the cat, like, hello.
Yeah. So your kit information is 8022-436 Moony-eyed. And your pattern is City Lights, and that's from the Fast and Fun book.
All right, so our next pattern is Broad Strokes. Now, Broad Strokes is a great pattern that utilizes, you can use a really big print in the big block and kind of a medium print in some of the other blocks. We got a rail fence in here. It's really great. So let's put it up on the table and look at the fabric. All right, so for our next kit, we got some lovely jack-o'-lanterns, which is a very messy process to make.
Honestly, yeah.
Yes, you just got to pull everything out, put stuff in. It's just, oof, it's a big thing. So I prefer my jack-o'-lanterns on my quilts.
Yes, yes, I love that. Yeah, much cleaner process.
Yes. So our jack-o'-lanterns will go everywhere where these the flowers on black are. They'll go in these big things so you can see them so nice and big. And then for our number 2, we got this white with these little gold diamonds.
Oh, that's fun.
Yes, I love that. And they'll go everywhere where the white is with the gold. And then for our number 3, we got this black with these swirlies. And there's a little star in it too. Yes. And so that will go everywhere where the black and gold is on the border and in our quilt as well.
I like this. This almost gives it like a classy feel. So it's like classy Halloween.
Yes, I love that. So you just put it up and it's like, oh, she's a classy Halloween gal.
Oh, very nice.
And this one has a special thing because the number 1 fabric glows in the dark.
Ah, of course, your jack-o'-lanterns. I mean, it wouldn't be a jack-o'-lantern if it didn't glow, right?
Exactly. So the kit information for this is 8022-437 Jack-O-Glow is the name of the kit. Broad Strokes is your pattern, and that's only available in the book Quilts on the Double, so your alternate pattern is Pretty Please.
So we hope you enjoyed our little takeover today.
Don't worry, Donna and Fran will be back next week for the next show.
Yes. And let us know what your favorite autumn traditions are. We'd love to hear them, so let us know in the comments.
Yes. So it's Donna Robertson
and Fran Morgan with Fabric Café. Thanks for watching.